Hi, this is Dr. Christopher Killingsworth. Welcome to ASTRA. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and why I became a plastic surgeon. Well, I knew I wanted to become a doctor at a very early age. We had a very close family friend. I lived kind of in a small town, and he was a family doctor, and I saw that he was able to help people and make a real difference in the community, so I knew that's what I wanted to be. I went to medical school with the intention of becoming a frontline, internal medicine family practitioner. However, I didn't like it. So I started looking at other things, and I certainly like, the direct cause and effect of surgery, and so that really hooked my interest. I did medical school, and then I matched in general surgery at UAB in Birmingham, and thought for a while I was going to do vascular surgery. I had previously done a rotation in plastic surgery when I was in medical school, and I really liked it, but I also liked vascular surgery. Those two things, they have a lot in common. They're very meticulous, and that appeals to my OCD, which is helpful. Ultimately, I did decide to do plastics because I felt like it was a chance for me to be a bit more artistic and creative, which has always been a part of who I am. So after doing general surgery residency, I stayed on at UAB to do a fellowship in plastic surgery. Finished that in 2012, and then moved to Atlanta. The reason I'm in Atlanta is because my wife's from here. She grew up in Atlanta, and we were looking for places to go work, and I interviewed at a couple places around the Southeast, and she was gracious enough to let me believe I had those opportunities, but ultimately we ended up in Atlanta. I think that's the best place for us. I love Atlanta. All our family's here, so it just worked out really well. Started out the practice in 2012. Just with me, and fortunately with a lot of help from some wonderful staff, and with time we're able to grow ASTRA into what it is today.